Kilauea Iki Trail. Okay. There's very limited parking here for the tube. And only one direction going in. Just keep that in mind. We're right next to it, so we're going to stop here and then drive to the end, to the arch after this. Lava tube entrance. Enter at your own risk, Denise. Do not touch the walls.
No dogs allowed.
I like this picture right here. You see? Like where everything breaks loose. It just crushes this person to death. Yes, it's a crater. Okay. Tube. This reminds me of the sinkholes in Florida. You never went to the Lake Eaton sinkhole? I think we went there and it was closed for repairs or something.
Tube.
I don't think it's active. If it was, we might get washed away with red lava.
The sign said active. The ground feels hollow.
It might give way at any moment. So we can't see much in here, even with my video light on. It barely does anything.
Yeah.
How long does this go on? Did someone make this tunnel, or did the lava make this tunnel?
The lava made it.
It's kind of breezy down here. I want to go in this area, but that's gated off.
It looks cool.
That's it, I guess. I think we're done. So what do you think? Is that worth it?
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
A tunnel? So I guess the hot lava at some point burrowed through there through some of the rock that had already cooled and made a tunnel. And then it receded because we're definitely a little ways from that active volcano. Although if it erupts, I'm guessing there could be a lava flow that keeps coming back down here eventually.